In 1905, the world was still convinced that time was as constant as the ticking of a clock. But what if time wasn't so rigid? What if it could bend, twist, and stretch like a ribbon in the wind? It was a question few dared to ask. But one young physicist in Vienna, Max Einstein, was about to find out.
If the speed of light is always constant, then how does time fit in? Could time be different for someone moving faster than light? Could it stretch?
Max was on the brink of something. But what? Was he about to shatter the very foundation of how humans understood the universe?
Max, you've been staring at that book for days. What's on your mind?
Keep thinking about the speed of light. It's always the same for everyone, no matter how fast they're moving. But what happens if you're moving with the light close to it?
You're chasing shadows, Max. Light is elusive, always ahead. But what if you're right? What if there's more to time than we know?
What if time is linked to speed itself? If you're moving faster, could time slow down for you? Could time be flexible?
Max had no idea yet, but he was on the verge of discovering the greatest secret of the universe. The idea that time itself was not the constant we assumed. It was something far more fluid.
I've designed an experiment, Lena. If we move quickly, the clock in the carriage should tick slower than the one here. If time slows down with speed, we'll see it firsthand. It's happening. Time is different when you move faster.
The experiment was a success. Time was not a fixed, unchangeable force. It could stretch, warp, and bend with speed. Max had just proven that the world as we knew it was only the beginning.
It's all coming together. Speed and time are intertwined. What if mass and energy are connected too? What if they are all part of the same cosmic fabric?
Max had stumbled upon a theory that would shape the future of science. The theory of relativity. Mass, energy, time, and space, no longer separate, but interwoven into a single fabric. It was the first glimpse into the nature of space-time. Max's discovery would eventually reach the ears of the world. It would inspire Einstein, who would later refine and publish the full theory of relativity. But on that quiet night in Vienna, Max unknowingly cracked open the door to the future. A future where time was no longer constant, but a malleable force of the universe. And so the daytime stood still wasn't a day at all. It was a moment, one fleeting moment in the vast, ever-bending fabric of space-time. But that moment would change the world forever.